This is a 3D printer, isn't it?
Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Hammertime. Alex and I are out visiting our friend René in his space for all sorts of digital experiments, the Fab Lab. Alex, come on. René's waiting for us.
Frogger, what's my favorite video game? Come on, Frogger!
Alex. Okay, this is René.
Hi.
Let's tell our audience what the Fab Lab is.
Fab Lab is short for Fabrication Laboratory. This is the first one in Germany. It was founded in 2009 by Professor Jan Borchers here at RWTH Aachen University. But the very first one is at the MIT in the United States. We've got some really cool gadgets in here. This is a 3D printer, isn't it? Yes, a 3D printer is an essential tool in a Fab Lab, just like the laser cutter or the CNC milling machine or the 3D scanner.
René, do you think we could print something with it? Alex, do you remember the Dremel Devil we recently saw on the internet?
Yeah, let's build it. Cool! And what kind of thing is this? This is FabScan, our own open source 3D scanner that everybody can build at home.
Do you think we could build a scanner like this for our own workshop?
Yeah, sure.
We have to wait for the 3D printing anyway, right?
And we've got some of our tools with us.
So, René, do you think this is the future of DIYing? I mean that these machines make it possible to design and build parts yourself, instead of buying them in a hardware store.
Exactly. I mean, if the quality is getting better and better, you can print spare parts for other machines, or you can even invent new things.
It's pretty cool. I think it's really great that you Maker Movement guys share your ideas with others.
Just like we do in our show. So the Raspberry Pi with a motor driver, stepper motor with a turntable, the laser, so yeah, that was really easy. You know what the first thing is that you have to scan with your new 3D scanner? A rubber duck.
Do you have one?
Yes, I can bring one.
Cool.
Done. So this 3D object can be printed on any 3D printer now.
Cool.
Like that one. Oh, yes.
By the way, what happened to our Dremel Devil?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's done.
That's okay. Looks good.
So guys, let's try out our new toy outside in the park.
Okay, Alex.
Yeah.
Take care. And ready to take off. Where is it?
Oh, Andy. Oh, he found it. Here it is.